RidgeBot 5.2 introduces RidgeGen, an onboard Gen AI service module powered by advanced language models. RidgeGen eliminates false positives in personal identification information detection and delivers context-aware scanning during penetration tests. In this demo, I'll show you how to perform a PII-specific scanning scenario. First, we'll go to the Scenarios tab. By default, the website penetration and full internal and host penetration with a default crawler will both perform PII scanning. However, in this case, we may only want to perform PII scanning. To do that, we will click Create Scenario and create a scenario based on the website penetration scenario. In here, we will give it a meaningful name. And then we will go to the plugin list, we will deselect all the plugins, and we will filter for PII. We'll see a set of plugins pop up. In order to do PII scanning at the very least, we want PII main process. However, I would recommend enabling all 5 of these plugins. The PII main process will report all PII that appears as a vulnerability, but these 4 additional plugins will elevate the specific type of PII to a risk item, such as social security number, passport number, driver's license, or credit card depending on what has been selected. Before starting, I'll also turn off password brief forces. We can go ahead and save the scenario now and go back to our task page. We can create a task, go to the Custom Scenario tab, and select that task or that scenario that we just made. We can give our task a meaningful name. Our attack target. Once that's been done, we can click Run. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to go ahead and look at a previously run task. We'll click in and we'll go down to our vulnerability table, and we can see that we actually have a PII report here for the credit card type. When looking at it on the vulnerability page, we actually will get an entire copy of the response from the website, and it will also highlight any instances of PI that it found if we scroll down. So, for instance, we can see that there appears to be some leaked data here and a JSON format that contains credit card numbers. This is, of course, not real for the purpose of this demo. We can also look at the corresponding risk. We'll see a PI disclosure risk type for the credit card, and if we click on it, it will report and mask all of the numbers that have found inside of the website. Ready to see RidgeBot transform your security testing? Request a demo today.